just for the fame. Some people live for the power, yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that the physical things define what's within. I've been there before, but that's life so bored, so far of the superficial. Some people want it all, but I don't, but nothing at all. I'm feeling to you, baby, if I got to you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Some people search for a fountain, promises forever young. Some people need 3 dozen roses, and it's the only way to prove you love them. And in a world on a silver platter, and wondering what it means. No one to share, no one who truly cares for me. Some people want it all, but I don't, but nothing at all. Feeling to you, baby, if I got to you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Some people want it all, but I don't, but nothing at all. Feeling to you, baby, if I got to you, baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. If I ain't got you with me, baby. Nothing in this world was meant of me. Got you with me, baby.
I'm with my friend Cal. First visit. We're not drama. And obviously we're having some vab. The vab. So his first location. We post that one. I don't. It just paused. Yo, paused. Guys, it just paused. And I don't know. YouTube channel. I'm just so inconsistent. I'm very inconsistent. Let me tell you what happened to this iPhone. It fell in water, and then you drink about left. Whose drink is this? Why are you putting it here? Next to mine. It's fine, John. We are really struggling with Amala, but anyway, we're trying. We'll see. These ones stick in the price stand and horrible, I must say. So at least the chakra we know. And yeah, just hoping there's another one. What's the name? What's the name? Pepper lot and oh, ingasenzi kanjalo yini bawo?
Uyifakile mase inside.
Ndifakile. phakathi inside but ngichakria intona the fake ones ziyatsha phaa ezantsi
apha ngaphansi
okay we'll just have to see but anyway show you guys the view tomorrow looks cute looks good guys I'm starting a YouTube channel so uyenzile le salad hayi but bezawupheka egqibeni ndiyasapheka kaloku nango actually yeah it's smelling inuka le onion literally yeah hayi suzamile maslo mlilo silwile ke wethu seriously
yes
I don't even go to kitchen kakhulu but phaa ngaphandle kuba mandi iwesi December oh exesha namhlanje kuyaphithizela ngoku at this time every cafe I'm telling you then uhlala udibana nabantu bakutela oh my god bona bathi sisizibanani yua abantwana sana never love this
guys I get half past this girl
lega gun kum
it's a big
my man
to
was
celebrate.
send a message because when the update was by 7 as close by 6 but go half past 2
Oh, okay.
yeah
guys I always get crash
who sent a message
Massive.
Destination will be on the left.
Royal Yacht. It's a Royal Yacht.
you're living in nice the letters
Thank you. Sila. The location Sila. No guys, I'm a YouTuber. Wanna be aspiring YouTuber. Guys, subscribe to my channel. Post content in the phone in the part. Talk about salad. I post nada.
secrecy things no call it 14 something like that kumbuzo kaya
That's Kai, the birthday girl. We're coming to celebrate her. And yeah, guys, I'm just going now. But anyway, this is us. That's Mandy. That's Unanga. And yeah, okay, let me just turn the camera so that I can show you guys. Okay, the name of the restaurant is Adiminan. So, yeah. 10 out of 10, Kaiser.
Mandy, I'll take a video. But just so that you're aware. Oh, okay. I'm gonna tell you what I'm talking about. Okay. I'm definitely giving voices.
I get guys must get some men go all white. I think they're one of these guys.
Okay, like I'm showing my age.
They're the ones now. It's
Okay, I'm showing my age.
oh 40. I want for 40. We are bonus as straight as then because don't let them all white. Like nothing to a petal culture. One just even I have a petal color. It's like Magbe, but to be nice, just wear your clothes.
It's not just for us, it's sparkling. Good drink sparkling. And the old was a small bottle, but the drink is this one, new one. Yeah.
Do you guys have Savannah? Oh, thank you. Try the dry one. I need a dry. Thanks, Nklaga. Yeah, like we just need a dry. Yeah, but I need. I buy Paganga Glendow and those are going to be.
That's why you sit on one website.
Like, what's it there?
Virgin mojito or but
Virgin.
For some African guys. Bear with me. I'll drink in the afternoon. Now if I start, I won't make it.
It's 2 o'clock.
I won't make it past 8 o'clock. Give me time.
That's sad.
Yes, but Italian women are selling me.
When? Serious? How cook it, Choma? I think so. Cool, in fact. Hello.
When you're done, can you take a video of me?
What's the egg?
I command me.
It's nice and there's an advantage.
Take your word for
This is
it.
a hand, guys. 5. Mali washing machine.
Guys, I'm not
But now I'm cooking, but then it's a
I'm shocking.
I also like some salt.
I think we're looking at this.
sauce kanangam se ye maso.
But alas, Selena.
I'm 20. Oh, thank you guys.
How old are you?
How old are you?
Remove it. 6.
Oh shit!
She's like, oh shit.
I was like, oh, Bayandi, she said it's okay.
No, it's not okay.
Nah, Tom. Kick it out. Kick it out.
Removing the...
Hand over, young man. You.
Well, it's the one going anyway.
Hand over. Thank you guys.
Happy birthday. Hip hip hooray.
Hip hip hooray.
Oh, guys, this is cute.
Guys, I'm going to get swimwear. Oh, thank you guys. Guys, can I hug you now, please? Oh, guys, thank you. Oh, I appreciate it so much.
It's okay, baby.
Oh, it's us, Nana.
Okay, we are on yellow. Our electricity supplier.
Escom.
We just went there. Kaitana. Okay.
Oh, Thailand, baby.
He had a stroke. He's an actor. He sings.
Lira.
No. He sings. He had a stroke.
Who?
He's cute.
Oh, Justin Bieber.
Yeah. A black man. A black man.
What?
He's not just a singer, though.
He's an actor singer. And he had a
Oh,
stroke.
my.
Yes. It's a website just opening more.
You can do it. Oh, fuck. Yeah, because you say it by mistake. Guys, I've realized why I haven't spoken to you in a while. Today is Sunday, the 15th of December.
I'm just thinking about, okay, like, what we actually.
It's the 15th of December. The time is about something to 10. And we're still celebrating Kwaita's birthday weekend. So, into ibiyenzeka, ne, is that I've been taking a content, but I haven't been updating you guys as to what was happening. Excuse me. Oh, sorry. I woke up to this because I'm hangover. So I need it, and demo pass out early yesterday. So what was happening is that Izolo, we woke up, we had umbeko from the bride the previous night, Exeni, and then, oh God, we started drinking very early. You know, but around this time, because yeah, in a situation, we have been, Sana, besisixelela uba ke sizaya nakulaa concert kaBlack Coffee, which is siyandiliba kuthiwa yintoni igama layo ke mna understand i-concert. So izolo, the plan was that we were going to be going out for lunch at that nice restaurant on a harbour. It's 9 something. Ndizanibonisa igama layo. In fact, you're gonna see it in one of the videos. By igama layo yintoni. Ivoice yami iyarhexa, guys. I'm so sorry because ndinanebhesi because sana it's tired. It's tired and it's also the alcohol. So yeah, so yesterday guess saya kula restaurant. You booked to go there. It's very nice. It gives good vibes. And then the food, honestly, for me, it was a solid 8 out of 10. It's very good, you know. It's edible. It's just the seasoning here and there. But yeah, aesthetics, it's giving like yonkinto. It's yeah. So we went to that restaurant. Big ups to them, you know. Yeah, sabona abantu abachata elwandle at the harbour. And then yeah, we went and got alcohol, and then we came back to the house, and then we were supposed to be going to that Ntona. We were supposed to freshen up and go to that thing ka Black Coffee, that event ka Black Coffee, but we couldn't, guys. Like literally, just like no, it's not happening. And guess ana xa sofika kwezi age zethu yabona 30s, mid-30s go sana, there's nothing you value more than sitting at home and, you know, just being in your comfort. So right now, literally, I'd rather much be doing this all day, right? But obviously it's not gonna happen like that all day. So maybe we're saying have breakfast. They make breakfast, ladies. I'm gonna show you just now, and then maybe clean up a bit. It's a little bit cleaning, lower to extend, but maybe so clean up once before Siamba again. I don't know, but it is a bit dirty because there is wind outside, so it has blown in some leaves inside the house. So maybe I'll just touch a broom here and there, and yeah, and then yeah, and then we're gonna go to the yesterday when we came back and yesterday. Oh yeah, we were supposed to go to the Black Coffee thingy. So we came back and we were like, hell no. We're not going anywhere. So we didn't end up going there. We ended up sitting in Lini playing 30 seconds game and drinking games. The drinking games get sending and then I pass out. Why? Because it was when they were only and the guys one can sell a savannah, right? And then I drink a shot of Jaeger. Over. Like it's over. I mean, I've been drinking since online next day. There's no way that I'm going to be sitting and to be right. So yeah, it happened that it wasn't even a lot. Like I had half a shot, literally. But guys, I passed out. No man go past 8. How disappointing. Passed out go half past 8. That's not a nap. By 30 minutes nap. Can't this morning go 5. Been sleeping like maybe 30 minutes chum. Apparently I can't even remember me saying anything, but okay, but yeah, I was the first one to wake up, obviously. Now the ladies are also up and they are making breakfast and everybody's grabbing a drink, so I'm gonna show you guys around. And today we are planning to go to the beach, up in Mini. It's very hot in Durban today. It's 34 degrees. So if it does happen, we'll go because guys and administration, so it becomes difficult because of that. But guess and go chill at the beach. All right. So that's the itinerary for today. I'm gonna see if I can't do some work. There's some work M17 that I want to do for an hour or two while people are getting ready, but I'll see. I'm tired, guys. It's December, but nana, and get December really shake. So yeah, let me show you the ladies.
hours full timer. From 1 to 3.
Uphinde walala phi nazo? Oh, senje bhethi. Ngo-5, I feel like don't drink. I'm not gonna drink the shot. That's what makes me up. But I le yodwa ngaba right. Why are you looking at me like that, Twitter? Uba ndisele ishort, angisesi short.
Yeah, fuck the air no case. That's fuck this up.
Kwambe ubani la? Yeah? Ingathi kwambe ubani, ngibona ifresh icimile. I'm serious. Khayenza lo right mama. Ucimile. Uphi main switch? Yeah? Mhlambi lapho na. Lama phepha angana them away. Is anybody going to use them? I don't think we're going to use them for anything. Then, so the beach. Oh, it's Nanga. So the beach didn't happen, but either way, Sisepulini, we decided to just have a pool party, and the ladies are in. It's black people.
Pool party!
They are in.
Pool party!
So we are in the pool, and we are swimming. It's
Black people.
Exactly.
It is disclaimer.
It is black people. They need to know about exactly. So we are in. It's good. Guys, I promise you, like, you just need to get in. Like, I'm feeling good. Like, refreshed. You changed your mind. Guys, I promise you, enjoy this water. It is. It's the girl it thinks it is. My hair. Indian. Ela pica ela coisa vendia. Hi. Oh my God! Aningole. Guys, in Tony Rose. I don't know that one. First time I hear of it. No. Guys, what is it but with YouTube? So guys, I've just found out bakhona a toy ekuthiwa ngu-Rose. Khani ngixelele ngihamba yintoni? Abafuna ungixelela. Ngu-Rose igama layo. It's Rose. So i-shaped kanjani ngokuyena?
Like a rose.
So then ifika ithini pha? Hayi ku-extreme ilikha ntoni ichwayita what? Now ulunyaza izinto ngo
Spider.
oh no
Now it's here in the water. Did you die? Die, bitch.
uyibetha yangena yikhuphe
Can't fumbamba sicawuna.
hayi ndiyasikhupha
Uzosithatha tshona.
there's a spider in here sazi
Oh.
that's not a spider
There's a spider, friend.
oh it is I'm saving it
Level 1 Aisha, mine.
oh yeah yeah I think I took it out okay I can't see where but I did I took it out there's a spider ubuvukela lo lwana ngalo and that's the end of the weekend. The ladies are gone. Then there's these ones leaving. But it's been a great weekend, guys.
Unomava.
Uchile.
Uvava.
Akwazi usithunda. Yo, ndiqondile. Oh hayi shame week.
Sondiyeke Max because awungeni ndawo apha.
Aha, uchile sis. Ouch. Oh, nale linye lilahlekile apha. Line.
Gogo. Lo mntanakho
Uchile.
uhlulwa yivet.
Udlala amakete. Yo, indlulele vet nyani. Udlala amakete kanjani?
Amaketo.
Thayilo. Thayilo.
Kuthiwa yintoni ke nene le nto?
Maketle.
Hayi.
Hey, yo, egama leli kule game. Andana.
NgeSuthu kidiketo.
Diketo kaniti. Rali bapala diketo. Amaketo.
Khona elinye igama ko ungupuca.
Sisi sidlala upuca. Yakubetha. Yiba mloka tata uhambela la mapuca wadlala. Sisi zodlala amapuca. Awufuni?
Ukogema ukuthi wake namaqhinga noba namaqhinga. Bemsaba abangani bakhe.
Uyabonakala ke wayibhuli. Wawuyibhulu la sisi kwamarket.
God ke sana.
Uzofika nini ngo-2-2?
Yewa. Njengoba usithi angikwazi.
Hima.
Umax. Hayi anti enye into anizuya noyo. Ay.
Yo, those specs ziyangibhidisa. Angiboni.
Anta Ungicela ntoni sisi? Hawu bandla shame ngiya.
Sezilalini. Yo ngafuthi. Yo bamba 1,000. Bamba 1,000 sisi. Daha natsi wile. Hello bhuti. Ngafaka ku YouTube channel yami. Yawe.
George. Ubusithi indlela ubunjaja ngayo kuluza awezanga ne-1
Denzile suqoqa.
awukhange
Suqoqa izaniphinda.
uthandayo sisi.
Hey, this is bad.
Ispecs zenze ntoni?
Hey, yawus. Anto.
Yo.
When partner this is banks outside. Yo. Sana. Nanso ke trick. Okay, adibe. But anadidla lesana lento kamaxesha wa. Hi everybody. Today it's the 17th of December and the time is now 12 o'clock. I'm on lunch at work, but I've got my laptop with me in case there's anything that's urgent that needs to be done. But whatever we are doing here should be completed in an hour. So Sizobeka, my sister, so ezilalini umuntu when they buy land kuye kuthiwa uyabekwa. My mom, guys, I can't. That's her. Like, we have to know this, but and we will. I'm just telling her, but I'm updating. About what's happening. So, yeah. So, siyeza sisi. Sizenza abantu bakonyani njani? Ayibonanga mso. Sizenza kanjani abantu bakonyani? Okay, baba, you don't get her sometimes there, but together we are trying to do like zihambe in order. So kufuneka ke ngoku sibe kuloo nto ke. Order, but I'm going to show you the land. It's huge and it's beautiful. It's very green and yeah. So yeah. I'll just show you around and then guesses I'll part izinto. Andithini lo mnqantsi sana ngitswe ukubana imizi bendenzileyo but ingekho ngakho but anyway umuntu uhlala kwakezele naye molweni ninjani khona nkosi uyaphi nabesana ingcono umfana ngqowe nalento iba lula xa uyiphethe ngengqowa sisi. So ubeka ne kuphela kanhlanje sisa kaloku sondelisa iya the view is very beautiful from Glendale and flat. Senje uba akho matye afuna ususwa a hectic iphe yam ke ufuna ubone yakho masiza ngapha ngizakubonisa yakho ivele fresh iyavela Ndaza lo ngwazi. Chu, hayi nalenqa. Ayibona. Yabona into ezinhlabezi ngaphansi kwazo. Kuphi kwamavundla? Ngoba kabonakala nokamavundla noka-odwa kabonakala. Kanti ngibona imali lo. Ngokubona into ezimhlophe kodwa. Hayi uthokoze ngibona lapha efotweni. Ulibele i-angle mba yiphi? Kanti indawo nakanini. Yo, hayi yahlabanyana. Umuntu awugubhuka. Uphaka. Uqande uzona. Cala kwela. Phaya. Kude kwakho kuvele. Jonga uyazi kwakho kude kuvelana. Yabona xa le jungle ivela pha kwami uqazi. Le ndawo le indawo le into engathi umhlaba obovu. Leya. Iyayazi iyayibona iyavela xa ukwakho. Yo hayi maseke sawube siya masiqoqa amandla wango. Buya. Ndiyaqola unyanisile. Yiso waba sesiyotshonela mntana wasijoga kwa. Oh kusitsho. Ndamfutha uthi amanda dingaka kusitsho ndathi ngimfutha la. Cha kuwe futhi. Wadenza umfuthele nguwe ethe.
Oh my gosh. It's talking quite Edgar. Let's do an outdoors.
You? Yeah. Sifanele mina kwazi nje. Njani? Sikhala kwazi njani futhi? Ngitshela mama 5000 ukuphothela nje sayikini yami. Bathini? Ngitshela bang 5000 ukuphothela nje umhlabeni nami ngizokhola. Wathi umhlaba? Oh. 50 yazi bathi 50000. Ichoka mnandi ikhalele zansi pikoko ichoka mnandi ikhalele zansi pikoko zansi pikoko zansi pikoko uchoka mnandi ikhalele zansi pikoko khala pikoko khala pikoko ichoka mnandi khalele zansi pikoko ichoka mnandi khalele zansi pikoko khala pikoko khala pikoko
Bona phezulu kwethi date.
Ngoba
I-date wethini phezulu?
16.
Holiday.
Gogo.
Sihlale holiday lo, sizo holiday.
Holiday yazo.
Holiday njani?
Khona kwasinjani? Sabi hours ezingaka. Zakudla. Jonga into ayiselayo ubala kumvuba. Ndimvele ndithetha naye. Niyamazi?
Lele.
Ndiye ndikuvile ule. Ulele late izolo.
Afuna uvuka
Uyolala late.
La ngo 5 6.
Akakulale mozitho. Ngizawulimala.
Ngiyezwa yini?
Indala into engisebenzayo.
Ede boss. Holiday that's a booster.
Hi, doll.
Abantu yes. Hey andoyika. Ndileqile igame yami ngabe namhlanje.
Awazi ukuthi dosa ukuleqile la ngqama.
Uyaphi?
Hayi wena uyalela lobhala leziya. Funeka into apha ke manje. So besicela
hamba tata andizisikela yintona kaloku
ube khona mama sembe.
tata ukhona
Ngibona.
khona xa utata xa ndandazi ukhona yambona inyana lam takusibona
Bebelahlekile.
hamba ngelahleke umntanam angalahleki umntanam Chocolate was not impressed. Chocolate was impressed as well. Nithetha ngama. Yo uzoba khona sleep namhlanje. Akakho impressed tu umntana. Hayi ngapha kuluphatha umhlakulo. Jonga lo uphethe umhlakulo uyamuva. Abela. Uthi kukwami la. Uphomye. Ngiyasenza ipasage apha. Hayi ayinkulu. Ipasage apha sekudala ayothi ipasage. Because apha
uma lapho khona iliki
sinazo isophe. Hayi mana apho niyozela toilet. Utheni singanqabananga ngokusazathi. Usazathi kodwa. Ubanomile ubaba. Udinga phakama kodwa uthakaza uphakama. Ubanomileyo. Umama lo noba ukuthi lo. Tim. Imake. Ngoba mhle. Kuyafana mos. Ewe di right. Ngaba. Ithoni yabela ngasenhle akangezansi ke. Mina ngizibula ndawo ndithi. Ingathi ingqamene xa linjalo xa ndilapha. Inkulu le ndawo. Hayi kodwa it is budget so much money. And then you like this straight? You think so? Oh, so what? My straight way. Yeah. Xa sekube. Kanti pali lapha kuni ndandani. Okay, this straight la nto bayenza pha. Kaloku ngoba straight xa ilungiswa mas. Jolo bakhulu. Kuyaphosha. Right wekezithethe uyathetha nje. Uyathetha yena. Ngamncama sana. Ababoni nix.
uyathetha namakhelwane kwaye imfuyo yakho ingenile egadini yadla ayiphinde yazodla engazazelanga engaxolisananga angazi ukuba kupha izicelo uxolo
So, yeah, my phone, ifoni yami iye yacima. Yeah? No, that's better. No, younger than me. So, ifoni yami yafa guys, I'm so sorry. I couldn't take the content right. So, yeah, so we decided after that whole ordeal. I loved it, by the way. I enjoyed it. So we decided let's come to Airport Shepstone just to grab some proper lunch. And then I befuna swim. I know she's not gonna swim. She just wants the vibe. So slap again go Apple Shepson. From here we're probably gonna go check out the Ramsgate beach. And then sizame yonke support Edward. Then after that go home. So we're a bit dark, but the time now is around. What's the time now? Oh, she doesn't have a phone. It's now 4:30. So I've just switched off my laptop as well. So enjoy man. But I'm gonna show you guys the views just now, okay? I forgot the name of the restaurant. But it's that one, man. Okay, I'm gonna find the name of the restaurant for you. And then yeah, I'll hook you up. Have a mind? Okay, let's see. That's a restaurant. This is the name of the restaurant. It's Sea Bali. And this is the food. Somebody enjoying there. Yeah. Say hi, Nanga. Hi. By the beach side with Red Bull. Man, just go. Oh my God. So guys, so this is the final beach that we went to up in South Coast again. This is Port Edward Beach, and yeah, I'm just sitting here with my niece, Tandy Hub, girl, baby girl. As you can see, I'm holding the hubby. I'm not too big on it because in dance I'm very lightheaded, and as now, and you understand. So yeah, after the whole ordeal, okay, I don't know like during the day, she's like, I wanna go to the beach. And I'm like, oh, okay, cool. Do you, boo? So we are here. So I owe her nothing in actual fact, because in the end, yeah, but guys, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe onto this channel. Yes, guys, but their husband inconsistent. But I suppose once I start posting, then you know, I'm motivated to be consistent. But I've been taking content. I've been taking content. Oh yeah, copyright. Okay, I'll need to cut this short because of the copyright. And that's not going to but anyway, just wanted to give you guys an update. But it's out to banana. worshipper kanti apha kulo mzi. Hayi son. So scared. Futhi kwaloo nto uba singathandazi as a family nje kude kuphela holidays. Dithe as a family I did not scatter. Antanga as a couple. Saba thina isono sethu kuba asinabayeni. Usho phela osishade nje.